What about you? Today we're at Groundsfest to find out about the latest tools, tax machinery, and we're going to be doing a Roots to Revenue live.
Indeed we are.
Our first live, so no pressure. The live will already be done by the time you see this video.
It will be, yes. Yeah.
What else do we want to do, Jason, while we're here?
Do a bit of a competition, I think.
Yeah.
Who can find the most unique items and who can get the best free merch and
who can get the most
free
merch. Who can find the most unique items.
Yep.
Most interesting people to talk to. See if we can find any other influencers.
Yeah.
We'll put that in brackets, that one. So I think first off we're gonna go and check out the guys at Machinery Nation.
Yep. Yeah, give them a shout.
Yeah, right, let's go.
Now it says was looking for new things. Our first stand we've come to is the Rat Barrow. It's a manual tipping function on it. Just pull, lift. That'd be quite handy for getting soil around the gardens, rather than me wheelbarrowing it around everywhere, Robbie.
No, you can't have one.
So we're just in, and I think I can see somewhere where I can win a prize already.
Let's go.
I'm hoping for a hat.
The Wheel of Fortune.
No, I've got a mug.
Oh, he's got a mug.
Happy days.
Mug.
Thank you very much.
Go, sir.
Yeah.
There we are.
Hey, guys, we shout out. What do you say?
Portable roadways and ground protection. So you've been walking on it all through the event.
The suspense.
Oh, what's that?
Coin.
Hot off the press.
So we're on the pitch care stand.
Either one.
Either one.
As long as one goes in, you get the end.
I'll go for the hard one.
Well,
Top
hey, that's
corner.
what she said.
Useless.
Hey.
Oh, and then they're going to try and get it all through that maze as well. Here we go.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, I don't do Miles does very much specialist stuff. I just do.
We have got to cut the top of this log off without spilling our paint. So then later on we've also got competitions throughout the day that you can take part in under the tents. We have got a strimming line test. We have got a chainsaw chain competition.
On the lookout today for some really interesting tools and things that I haven't seen before. I'm going to say this big tool here, which is a compost machine. Oh. And without me explaining to you what it does, let's see. So that's probably the most interesting machine I've seen here to date. That's something that I haven't seen before. That's a really good reason for coming to a show like this. First, Roots to Revenue Live. We're going to be talking about how to scale your business.
I think one of the mistakes I made in the early years of my bike is when I was doing more treatments, I was trying to do too much myself. And that's really important as you can see.
Take your vibe, take your vibe, take your vibe,
Cold light of day, second day of the show. Yesterday we intended to shoot loads of footage apart from what we were doing the
podcast.
The live podcast, so that sort of took over. We didn't get as much footage as what we like, so today we're going to run around the show like madmen and try and get you some.
Try and get some footage.
Show you. There's so much to do here, it's unbelievable. Loads of shows, loads of talks.
There's a lot going on.
Lots and lots. You can come and camp. We stayed in this whole hotel behind us here, which is pretty handy. So we're on site. Today we're looking to get some free pluck. There's all the stands. They're all doing competitions because everyone wants your attention. So if you want to come, there's loads of.
Oh, there's loads to be getting on. There's loads of hands-on as well, which is really good.
Yeah, you want to see
hands-on with the machinery.
There's other trade shows where you can't get hands-on with the tools, but here you definitely can. Machinery Nation are doing loads of live stuff. They're torture tests and whatnot. Yeah. All the brands all have outdoor stuff, so you can see the stuff out in the wild, as I call it. So let's go.
Acres Lawn Care, guys, we're here at Groundsfest 2024 and it is brilliant. So we are a YouTube channel, we're on social media, Instagram and TikTok as well, and we create all types of content as well. So if you're interested in getting hands on the tools, come to Groundsfest as well. Cheers, guys.
So we're coming to day 2 of the show. Hopefully you've enjoyed the behind the scenes, or just like a general overview of what's available. And then of course there's the seminar rooms as well,
Yes.
where we did the Roots to Revenue yesterday. All right.
The live stream.
And
So if you've not seen that, get in and give it a lot.
Easy for you. Easy for you to say. So we're just going to show you a bit more footage, and then we'll see you in the next video.